Hey guys, so 2116 here, and I'm back with another video, and today it's going to be kind of different. Sorry for the background noise. Kung Fu Panda 3 is on, and my brother's watching that. Today is going to be kind of a different video, like I said. Today I'm going to let my dad play Animal Jam. Now, I was inspired by... I was inspired to do this by Cute Tiger. Make sure to go check her out. Dad, say hi.
Hello.
You can choose between these animals. You could be a monkey. Oh, hang on, guys. My dad has a phone call.
Alright, keep going.
Okay. So, you can choose from a monkey, a penguin, a panda, a tiger, a seal, a koala, or a bunny, giraffe, or wolf. Which one? Here.
Which animal would you choose for me to have?
I don't know. You have to pick it.
I have to pick it? I like the little penguin.
Okay. Here, I'll let you hold it so you can... Oh, just ignore pets. Okay, now, if you like that name, then you can just hit next.
Professor Perfect Master?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm digging it.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause for this because I don't want any people. Yeah, so I'll be right back once we are in Jamal Township. Okay, guys, here we go. It's loading.
I can teach you, son. You can do this?
Okay.
Welcome to your new home.
Now I'm just gonna let her speak.
And I'd like to show you around. Follow me.
Okay, now follow her. Here, I'm gonna let you take over.
What do I have to do?
Follow the bunny.
How do you follow?
You can click. You have to like. There you go. Ah! Here, let me do this part for you.
I can do it. Just gotta show me how to do it.
Oh, whatever. Okay, now listen. Wait, stop.
Here in Japan, everyone has their own unique styles. Let's start by customizing yours.
Now click on that.
This guy?
Yeah.
Go ahead and click on your animal picture.
Yeah, shush.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors.
Hang on, wait, let her go through.
You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different patterns in your fur. Why don't you give it a try?
Okay, now decorate your penguin on how you like it.
Click on the X button in the corner to exit.
Master, what are you going to do? You are going to find out.
I don't know, he looks pretty cool. Looks like a penguin, right?
Yeah, but you can make them all sorts of colors if you want.
When you are happy with your new look, click on the X button in the corner to
Wait. Oh my gosh, it's a meal. Hang on.
What is it?
That's a meal. It's extension. Do you want to change anything in here?
No, he's got happy eyes. I like his eyes.
Okay, do you want to change it? There's patterns that you can do. And you can change. Yeah, shut up. And you can also...
Let's just continue with this guy. I like
Okay.
this guy. Good vibes.
That's an achievement.
love the new you. How do you feel about it?
Now click on that. It's where your emotions are.
Click on what?
The thing that's
Show others how
glowing.
you're feeling. Click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote.
That's happening.
I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff!
Now click on that paw. Now click on the chest. Hang on, it's a little laggy. And then you got 150 gems. I mean 105. Oh, you know what I mean.
1500.
Yeah.
How many did you buy?
Now hover the mouse over the gems. Or click on it.
Lucky you.
Oh. No,
You'll find more fun ways to get get gems as you explore Jamad, along with lots of places to spend them.
If you want, you can skip this part by hitting skip.
Yeah, let's skip. Let's do some.
Shops and
This is an extension I have. So. Here we go, guys. Okay, so you can go to your den, you can play games. Wait. You can go on an adventure, you can shop for new clothes, or if you don't want to do any of that, you can just hit the X button.
What should I do? What do you normally do?
Hit the X button.
Alright, it's this. There's a lot of people in here.
Yeah, it's the main place.
Okay, there I am. What
Yeah.
do? Do I go up to people? Do I go somewhere?
Oh yeah, stop it. Do you want to put any patterns or anything on your animal?
No.
Okay. Go to your... Ow! Stupid dog. Okay, go to your den.
How do I go to the den?
You hit that little hut.
Now you can go.
Now listen to
welcome to
Pet.
your den, your own place in Jamad to call home.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course, no den is complete
What's this?
until it is decorated. Click on the edit button to see your den items.
Now, wait, hit that. The thing that's glowing.
These are your den items. Click
What's
on
that? Is that
the picture of
pizza?
an item to
No, that's a rug.
It looks like a pizza.
That's a rug.
What's this thing?
Oh, that's an extension thing. That's a rug and that's a table.
Is it bad that I think that that's a pizza?
If you want it to be bad, I'm not sure.
I don't want to chew on a rug thinking it's pizza. So do I go in?
Here, you click on that, and you can.
move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den.
So you can click on it and you can drag it around. And
X button to put them away.
if you want to put them away, you can hit the X button. If you want to rotate them, hit that this arrow.
Let's put them away.
Or you can hit this down here.
You're doing great.
Oh,
I have a gift for you. Did you know that you can shop for new den items right from your den? Click on the shopping bag feature to open the shop.
Just like his father. Thank you. Son, these are your cousins.
and click on that little shopping bag.
We call it a snack list. That's right.
Wow! Look at all those great den items. You can click on any item to
You can buy any of those.
Do I want any of these?
I don't know, do you?
Can I lay on the couch if I buy it?
Sure.
I think I should at least have a couch.
If you like the way an
Wait.
item looks, you click the buy button to purchase it. When you're done shopping, click
But
on
you
the
can-
X button to
You
exit the shop.
can hit that little thing right there. Yeah, that to change the colors.
You're like me.
But there's multiple colors.
You're like me, but fatter. You're like me, but
Okay.
with a hat.
You like that one?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool.
You all look like me.
Do you want to buy anything else, or is that all you want to buy?
No, we're good.
Okay, that is wallpaper. Is that all?
Yep.
Now hit that X. Now you can drag this
Wonderful.
around.
Now that you know how, you can decorate your den however you'd like.
You got more gems. Now you click on it. Or you can, yeah, you can. Here, let me help you with this part. Where do you want it to be? Up here?
Yep, right there.
Do you want any of these?
Well, didn't we put a rug in there?
I knew it this whole being a panda
Hey,
thing.
what kind of panda are you? You have a funny neck.
I'm not a panda at all.
What's
Can
that?
you rotate it?
What's that? What's that?
Wait,
What's that?
I got things. No more questions. Go away, kid. Here, son. I got
Oh, sorry.
What is that?
Something of my extension. It's a Pokemon. Do you want to be right there?
Yep.
Okay. You want that table?
Sure.
Hey, get down. Being attacked by my dog. Or Here.
I get it.
You want it right there?
Yep.
Okay, now hit that X. Now
Oh, sweet
you
little lounging area.
now go. You want to lay on the couch, right?
Yeah.
Click on the. Okay, so walk over.
That's sweet, Paul. But please try to sleep all.
You can't hit lightly. You have to like actually click it. Now hit that little action button. Hit sleep, and then you're sleeping on the couch.
Sweet. It looks very nice. I'm into it.
Okay, here. Oh my gosh, are you serious? This is on pause. Oh no, it's not. Well, we're gonna be right back, and my dad's gonna play an adventure.